You know that this connection has always been there, latent, pulsing somewhere inside you. But you tried to ignore it, tried to be rational, to distance yourself, even lying to yourself, thinking it was better that way. But the truth is, you can no longer run away. Your angels have an important message. The universe is giving you signs, and they can't be ignored. Now more than ever, this connection is going to reveal itself. And you need to be prepared for what comes next. It's no coincidence that you're here, hearing this. Deep down, you might have already known that this moment would come. And now, you're about to discover what it truly means. You've been reflecting a lot about the future with this special person, imagining what the universe might have in store for the two of you. Marriage, a life together, a more serious commitment. All these thoughts have crossed your mind. It's hard not to dream about what this connection could bring, envisioning a future full of possibilities and moments that make your heart race. It feels like a new world is opening up before you, full of promises and hopes because deep down, you feel that this bond isn't just any bond. It's different, unique, and perhaps destined for something much greater than you ever could have imagined. Meanwhile, the person you formed this connection with is also going through something intense. Their feelings for you might be so strong that they verge on obsession. They think about you constantly, just as you can't get them out of your mind. But what stands out is the intensity of their thoughts. It's as if you are the only focus, the center of everything. Their thoughts are always about you, constant, repetitive, unrelenting. It's like you've become a permanent presence in their mind, a thought they simply can't avoid, even if they tried. This person is so deeply involved that for them, you are the first and last thing they think about every day. It's as if they've lost control of their own thoughts because you've become the central point of all of them, day and night. They are immersed in you in a way that's hard to ignore, as if you are the axis around which their whole world revolves. The connection you share is so powerful and inescapable that you have become a constant and indispensable presence in their life. You know, this person loves you in a way that is so deep it borders on what some might call unhealthy. But the truth is, this love comes from a genuine, pure place. It's as if they have no choice. They simply can't stop thinking about you. It's almost like a vital need for them, this idea of having you near, of being part of your life at every possible moment. And don't think that this intensity goes unnoticed. On the contrary, it's reflected in every little detail. In the gestures they make, in the way they look at you, in the words they carefully choose when speaking to you. There's a passion there that is so strong it sometimes feels like it's going to overflow. It's a passion that doesn't hide, that doesn't disguise itself, that shows itself in every action, in every attitude. This person wants to make you understand, in every way possible, that you are their choice, and that they are the right choice for you. And they won't spare any effort to prove it to you. In conversations, they'll bring up serious topics, talk about feelings with an intensity that might surprise you. They'll mention commitments, talk about the future, about plans that involve the two of you together. And not in just any way, but in a way that makes you believe, that makes you feel that it's real, that it's true. You'll feel the sincerity in the air, as if it's suspended in every word they speak. And at that moment, something will change inside you. You'll realize that any other option you might have considered before simply disappears. Because in the face of such an authentic feeling, all other possibilities seem small, insignificant. This person wants you to know without any doubt that nothing in the world matters more to them than being by your side. And they will do everything, absolutely everything, to make you see that. To make you understand that for them, there is no other choice, no other path. And if it's up to them, you'll also realize that it's right there, by their side, where you belong. You might even feel invaded, as if suddenly someone had crossed an invisible line that you didn't even know was there. And this person doesn't beat around the bush. They arrive and make it clear, in a way that's almost possessive, that you are theirs, with no room for doubts or hesitations. This kind of attitude might catch you off guard, making your heart race, but deep down, you know it's exactly what you always wanted. It's not that you were desperate for this, but there was a silent desire, a hope that something like this would happen. Maybe you've spent some time thinking that if something happened, great, but if not, that's okay too. However, when this person comes forward with all this certainty and intensity, it's as if something inside you awakens. Suddenly, all those options you kept open seem irrelevant because what you really wanted is right in front of you. And then this avalanche of emotions hits you, bringing a mix of surprise, euphoria, and maybe a little bit of fear because, after all, it's all very fast, very intense. And this intensity doesn't come just from you. The other person is so involved, so immersed in what they feel, that they end up acting somewhat hastily, as if they want to do everything at once. You might even think, hold on, why the rush? But it's precisely this nervousness that reveals how much they care, how much being close to you makes them anxious, as if they're afraid that if they don't do everything now, they might lose the chance. This nervousness is almost palpable, and you realize that it's a response to something deep that you've awakened in them. They're trying, in their own way, to deal with a flood of feelings that many times, even they don't fully understand. And in the midst of this emotional confusion, it becomes clear just how much this person is in love with you. It's a passion that borders on obsession, but in a sweet and even endearing way. They simply can't get you out of their head. Everything they do, every gesture, every word, is driven by this overwhelming feeling. It's an intensity that might leave you a little unsettled, but at the same time, it's an undeniable proof that what they feel is real, is true. And even if it scares you a little deep down, it's impossible not to feel flattered and deeply touched by such a genuine and powerful love. They'll tell you some things that, at first glance, might seem trivial, but will soon transform into something much deeper. The conversation, which starts off casually, will unfold into an exchange of words that will touch your heart in a unique way. And suddenly, you'll realize that this person, who's standing right in front of you, is who you've always been waiting to meet. Everything will flow so naturally that it will feel like you were destined to be together. The peace you'll feel being with them will be undeniable, and any uncertainty that once existed will simply disappear because you'll realize there's no reason to keep searching. The search has ended because the connection between you is so strong and true that everything else loses importance. The universe has already given you signs. This person is going to enter your life in an unexpected way, but you'll welcome their arrival with open arms. They will bring such a positive energy that not only you, but everyone around you, will notice the change. It will be a transformation that doesn't go unnoticed, something so powerful that it impacts even those who aren't directly involved. The people around you will notice that something special is happening, that there's a change in the air, something that transcends the ordinary. But it's important to understand that this intense connection might have an emotional cost for some people around you. There may be those who have harbored feelings for you, perhaps without you even realizing it. These people, who until now admired you from a distance, might end up suffering in silence. They were there, waiting for a chance, maybe even creating expectations, and now they'll have to face the reality that you found someone who made your heart beat stronger. Without you noticing, some hearts may end up hurt in this process, not out of malice, but because these people didn't have the opportunity to express what they felt for you. They fell in love with your way, with your essence, and now they'll have to deal with the fact that you've moved on and found something special. This connection that you feel growing inside you, with an almost palpable force, is something that won't go unnoticed. No, it won't be subtle, hidden between the lines. On the contrary, this bond is so intense that it will shine like a live flame, visible to everyone nearby. There's no denying how much this person, who now occupies such a large space in your life, is committed to being by your side. Every small gesture, every look you exchange, reveals the depth of this feeling that's growing between you. This force, this connection, will be so clear, so evident, that anyone who looks at you will immediately understand what's happening. It's the kind of bond that doesn't go unnoticed, that catches everyone's attention. Some will observe with a smile of admiration, happy to see something so genuine and beautiful blossoming. Others might feel a pang of regret, lamenting what they didn't live or didn't allow to happen. But one thing is certain, no one will be able to ignore it. This connection you've found is special, it's unique, and that's something that everyone, without exception, will notice. Those close to you will know that what you've found is real, something that deserves to be lived with all the intensity. Life has a mysterious way of surprising us, bringing to light opportunities that we couldn't have imagined even in our best dreams. And this person, this connection that has appeared in your life, is one of those surprises that destiny carefully places in our path. Enjoy every moment with this person, without fear, without reservations. Open your heart to this experience because it's rare and incredibly valuable. Yes, you might have to leave some things behind, cut ties with parts of the past that no longer make sense. But moving forward, and doing so with the certainty that you're on the right path, is what really matters. Don't worry too much about what others will say or think. In time, everyone around you will understand your choices, even if some take a little longer to process it all. In the end, what matters is that you're at peace with yourself, satisfied with the decisions you've made. True happiness and inner peace are what define a well-lived life. Don't let fear or uncertainty stop you from diving headfirst into this new phase of your life. This connection you've found isn't something common. It's not something that happens every day. It's a gift, something that deserves to be cherished and valued. Life is too short to be stuck on what could have been or what others will think. Move forward, listen to what your heart is saying, and allow yourself to live this experience to the fullest. What will really matter in the end are the moments you lived intensely, the choices you made with love, and the peace of knowing you followed the path that was truly yours. So, open yourself to this new journey. What you've found is rare, it's special, and it deserves all the attention and care you can give it. Don't forget, you deserve this happiness. You deserve to live this fullness alongside someone who shares the same feeling. Deep down, that's what really matters. And now is the time to live all of this, without reservations, without fear. Because life, with all its surprises, is offering you something that's unique, something that's yours, and that deserves to be lived fully. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wishes the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what decision you make. Type, "I receive and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me" to claim this message and the blessings contained in it for you. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who might need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. If you aren't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.